Good morning, guys. Me and Dion are heading to the bakery. We got a craving. He wants some lemon cheesecake, and you know me, I just want that cinnamon snail, that tepiakis. Let's grab some grapes over here. Yeah, Dion wants the tepiakis too. We're gonna grab some grapes over here, just at the end of the street. Nice little appetizer. The fast charger arrived today. I'm gonna ask Kiki's dad if he can pick it up for me so I don't have to actually go over there just to pick it up.
If this is America and you was picking grapes, somebody run out with a shotgun like, why are you picking my grapes? Oh.
But yeah, we're just waiting for all the rest of the stuff to arrive at Kiki's dad's place, and then I'm going over there. Gonna pick them all up, and I'm thinking instead of building it over at Kiki's dad's place, because we can't even sleep indoors over there and it's getting pretty cold, I'm thinking of just taking all the components over to my Somali family in Copenhagen and then building it over there. My oldest male cousin has studied to become an engineer, so I'm figuring he can probably use some of those tools after I'm done using them. Whereas Kiki's dad would probably never ever really get to use them. So it's kind of a waste to leave them with him. Oh my god, these things, they're perfect.
Freaking yellow jacket's buzzing around now.
Oh wow. The sweetness is unrivaled, dude. Oh my god. This is better than candy, dude.
They got figs behind the fence. I don't know. Well, they look like figs.
I'm not gonna do breaking and entering figs.
I mean, they don't look like they're ripe anyway, so.
Oh my god. I want them all. So good. But we gotta leave some for the rest. I'm sure other people want some too. Wow. Best grapes I ever had in my life. Maybe I should take some seeds. Take a grape and get some of the seeds out there, dehydrate them, and just keep them. Just so I can grow them in the future.
See, if this is like a third world country, somebody would have ran out there with a bowl and picked all them damn things a month ago.
Oh yeah, we wouldn't have even spotted them, man. They would have been long gone. Check it out. We're having some apple juice. He's having a Spenbauer, some lemon cake, and me, 2 cinnamon snails. This one has, I believe it's called black currants, and it's 90% unfiltered apple, 10% black, I think it's black currants. This is berry. Okay. Hey, check it out. We just went shopping in Vertex. I normally never go to Vertex because shit's expensive over there. It's for like proper white people. But we got some good stuff. We got some snacks and some soda, and we're gonna have, I think, Dion's favorite Danish stuff so far, medisterpølse, with brown gravy and potatoes.
Yeah. Damn white folks was over there because like, oh, these Americans coming here shopping. Get them out of here.
Nah, we had money, so it's all good. But I'm sure some of them were following us around, seeing if we stuffed a bit of stuff in our pockets. There was one person who kept walking back and forth past us. They might have been like an undercover detective thing. Check out the fridge, guys. It's fucking done, man. There's nothing in there. It's all just like dressings and stuff. But yeah, we got some stuff here. Kinder milk slice. We're gonna have one of those right away. We're gonna put these in the oven right away. Frikadeller, Danish meatballs. Let's go. I haven't had those for a while. We got medisterpølse for tonight. We got some more gravy, some more flour for the gravy, as well as real butter without the rapeseed. Because all these, we call them butter bars. They're all mixed with rapeseed. oil, and we got flour, potatoes. We're ready. I don't know what they put in these. All I can tell you is that the molecule is very closely related to that of crack cocaine. Okay, it's highly addictive, the substance in here. Let's see if Dion likes it. You see how that shit's addictive to children?
This ain't all of that.
It ain't? Huh. That's crazy to me, man. I love this shit.
It's something totally different.
Huh. Let's go. I'm never gonna grow up, dude. I swear to God. I still love the same shit I did as a kid.
Like that's another thing about like traveling to other countries too. Though you look at something, you see it, and you think you know what it is, and then you bite into it, and it's completely different.
I tried preparing you. I said it's kind of like whipped cream, but not really.
It would have been better if it was ice cream. And you can have those.
That's crazy, dude. Check it out, guys. I'm gonna heat up some Danish meatballs. Frikadeller. Me and Dion are just having a nice peaceful day, just the two of us. No noise, no arguing, no extra dishes. Just chilling. It's nice. I'm insane. I just eat these straight out of the oven. Dion's like, how the fuck you do that, man? And Dion isn't really into Kinder Milk Slice, so guess what I'm having? I'm gonna eat the whole box on my own. Me, Dion, and Dion, Stony, and I. Let's be proper about it here. Dion, Stony, and I are in a voice chat together, just hanging out while I'm cooking, making Legisterpølse, boiling potatoes, and making some brown gravy. And I'm gonna add this brown gravy that our friend brought over here because this is made with bacon grease, so it is incredibly flavorful. It's gonna add some nice flavor. So I'm basically just gonna make brown gravy how I would normally, then add this at the end to like reheat it and incorporate the flavor into my brown gravy. Let's go. I made all this delicious gravy, but Dion ain't into it. He just wants some medista. But the gravy's really good, man. You can really taste the bacon grease in there. It's delicious. We're still just talking to Stony, talking about the bisexuality and LGBT stuff, and yeah, it's a pretty interesting conversation.